Hi, I'm Wayne Turner, the Parks Supervisor for the local council, City of Albany. So here at the City of Albany, we're looking for longevity in our products. So very coastal zone we are. We are looking at new and exciting products that will last past the test of time. Here at the Centennial Stadium, our football oval, in the grandstand here, we were looking for a product that was going to last long wearing and comfortable. So I'm sitting on here are the recycled plastic slats, which are bolted to the concrete to make a beautiful, comfortable seat and perfectly fit for purpose with great longevity. Midland Beach and Emu Point have a number of seats. They're also being used for memorial seats so families can find them as points to go back to remember their loved ones. Fantastic initiative, bright colours, great locations and wearing fantastically well. So the external of the larger site has post and rail bollards made of the plastic recycled post, and they're beautiful looking and extremely functional. So when our community through the Red Cycle program take their soft plastics back to the supermarkets, it comes back to them again in a circular economy in the products that we use in our parks. So here in Albany, we're certainly embracing all the recycled plastic products. They are fabulous. The ability for them to not require a lot of maintenance and the ability to put them in the harshest environments is second to none. We are loving them, we're using them, the community are embracing them, and we're looking forward to their use for many years to come.